How to turn on reverse charging on the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let me show you. Alright guys, first of all let me show you that if I put my iPhone on top of the Samsung Galaxy, it's not gonna charge, okay? Then I will show you how to turn on that setting. Let me put the Samsung Galaxy right there and then my iPhone, and nothing happens. And that's because you have to turn on the reverse charging setting manually. Let me show you now how to do it. Alright, first thing you're gonna do, let's go ahead and open the settings. Then scroll down until you see the battery and device care setting. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Then let's go ahead and tap on battery. Scroll all the way down until you see wireless power sharing. Let's go ahead and tap on that setting. And as you can see, the setting is off. So now just turn it on. And now look at this. Check this out. My iPhone, let me just put it on top of the Samsung Galaxy. Just like that. And boom, as you can see, it start working. You see, it start charging my iPhone just like that. Let me try again. Boom, it's charging. Wow, this is just amazing. Let me try again. Just like that, guys. You can put either ways, you know, the camera to the left side or to the right side. Doesn't matter. So you need to just play with it until you find the right spot to charge your iPhone or other device compatible with wireless charging. And that's what you need to do, guys. It was really easy. But something that I recommend for you to set up right now is a setting that you have to change right now. So as you can see, right here, battery limit. So I recommend you to click on that setting, then change that setting from 30% to 40% at least. So that means if your Samsung Galaxy battery charge is under 40%, that feature not gonna work. So you cannot charge other devices with your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now it only wanna work when your Samsung Galaxy battery is charged over 40%, not under. And that's all you need to do. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.